Hello, welcome to Miss Casella's classroom on YouTube. I want to review 0 very briefly, and then I want to spend a little bit of time on what to do when you are confronted with a decimal in terms of long division. One thing you don't have to do is worry. Miss Casella's got your back. Okay. This is the number 8. 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 It doesn't matter how many zeros I put in front. It is always going to be the number 8. In math, we don't want to put extra stuff. We just want to keep it simple. What's the deal with this decimal? It just means that really this is 8.0. Or I could just say 8. If I had 8.1 or 8.2, then I need to make sure I show it 0.2, 0.1. But if it's 8.0, it's just 8. The decimal after the whole number comes in handy in terms of money and in terms of measurement. So just remember that there's always a decimal after the whole number. We just don't show it. There's a decimal after this 8. We don't show it. Okay. If I have 5 divided by, it doesn't even matter. There's a decimal after that 5, remember? And that's all you need to know. Let's say I have 5.5 divided by, doesn't even matter. I need to scooch it over. I need to bring this decimal here. Done. How many times did I have to move it over? 1 time. 1. Okay. What about if I have 5.55555 divided by, again, it doesn't even matter. I have to scooch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had to scooch it over 5 times. One more example. If I have 8, 2, 1, 4, 6, 9, 5, 3, 2, 0, 1, 1 divided by whatever. And I'm going to put the decimal right there. How many times do I have to scooch it over to bring it over there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times again. It doesn't matter where the decimal is. I always have to scooch it over. It's important I keep track how many times. I'll show you in just a moment. In this situation, the decimal is already there. Even though it's not showing it, it is assumed it is there. So I don't have any scooching to do. Okay. Check this out. You're going to feel so much better about decimals when it comes to long division. Let's say I have decimal 513 divided by 1.0773. I need to get this decimal over there. 1, 2, 3 scooches. I take this decimal and scooch it over 3 times. Why? Because that's what I did on this side. 1, 2, 3. Up there, done. Do another one. If I have 3.5 divided by 9.80. I have to get this decimal over there. How many times did I scooch it over? Just the one time. Whatever I do to the left side, I have to do to the right side. One time. Make sure I'm mindful the decimal's going in between the 8 and the 0 above. What do I do if I want to divide 5 into 68.5? Can't fool you. Nothing. The decimal, it's already assumed that it's there. I don't have any scooching to do. So I just take my decimal here, put it up there. I hope that helped you feel a bit more comfortable with 0 and what to do when you are confronted with a decimal in terms of long division. I hope you stay tuned for part 1 and part 2 of long division, and now that you know this, you're going to get it a lot easier.